Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video, I will let to show you the way how to activate the spelling check on your keyboard so that you can get a help to check your spelling whenever you type the text. So here, if you want to activate this spelling check into your keyboard, you just need to open your settings. Right after that, go scrolling down until you found the general sections, and you just need to scrolling down again until you found keyboard. And after you found it, you just need to go click it. The next thing you need to do is just take a look on this third box here that contain a lot of options and a button, and there will be like some option on the third last line here, which is this check spelling. So make sure that this button is on the green color, means that it's on. So if it's not in a green color, you just need to tap it until this button is changed, and whenever you got them, you just need to type to check it whenever you open the Apple Notes. Let's say here we want to create a new notes, so I will let to try to spell finish, but then I'm not sure about the spelling. So whenever we type it, there will be an options here about the correct one, which is pop up over here. So the correct one is the finish with single N, so you just need to go click it to change it. So that is the way how to turn on the spelling check on your iPhone keyboard. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll let to see you for the next tutorial.